In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 13EC for .NET Framework. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? You need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane, find for an option called System, click on it. And under the System settings, you need to scroll down and find for Troubleshoot. Afterwards, you can see three options, proceed to other troubleshooters. And here under the most frequent, click on Run corresponding to Windows Update. So this process would help you to diagnose the problem. You need to wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to reset Windows Update components. How we can do that? Okay, I want you to copy the code that I have given or that I have provided at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, you need to paste it to your notepad. Click on File, go with Saved As, and from that in this new window, please rename it and name it into Fix Update. Then make sure that you have added an extension for dot or full stop, then BAT or BAT. Once done, click on the desktop and then click on saved. And then after you have created a .bat file in your desktop, you need to close the window and navigate to the .bat file that you have created. Okay? So if it's taking some time to show up here, you can simply or manually open your file explorer. And from here, just have to navigate manually to the desktop, click on it. And under the desktop, you can see your fix update.bat file. Make a right click. And from here, you need to run it as an administrator. So click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this procedure will take some time, maybe 7 minutes or more than that. It would depend on the machine. But after you have finished this process, I want you to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. So here it will ask you to confirm the action. Just type for Y and then click on the enter key in your keyboard so that you can proceed. Okay. Now, if you think this video have helped you a lot, then don't forget to like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.